All right, so this next video is basically a wayfinding video for our class. So I'll give you some tips on how to access all the information and the assignments this semester. And of course, please email me or text me or call me with any questions. So this is the home page. This is the landing page, and I'm in the student view right now. So your page should look like this. This is just a nice image. And then down here, you'll see links to the modules. Some of these modules, most of the modules are not open yet. So if you were to click on week 7 or even week 4, they wouldn't open. But once we get to those parts in the semester, they will open. So for now, if you click on orientation in week 1, you'll see content there. Another way to access this information, which I think you'll start to use more of as we get used to the course, is to just go over to modules. So that's what I'm going to do right now. And you'll see the same basic blocks of information in modules. And this is how I'll organize the class. It's going to be by week. This is the only week when you have 2 modules because we have orientation module and week 1. In orientation, this is kind of the starting point for the class. You'll see the syllabus, which does not include the assignment schedule. It's just kind of general information about the class. This is the video that's also posted with today's announcement, introducing myself in the class and my teaching style. The assignment schedule, this is kind of generally to give you an idea of when things are due, but the best way to do that, I think, because sometimes I forget to update the assignment schedule if I make changes in the modules, is to just follow the weekly modules as we go along. So think of the weekly modules as your assignment schedule. There's also information here on the thinking pieces, and I'm going to post a separate video where I go through those instructions. And this is our text. This is the main textbook that we'll be using. It's all online. So if you click on this, it'll take you right to the Open Anthology of Early American Literature. All right, so week 1, with each weekly module, I'm going to post the to-do, which is essentially your assignment schedule. And you can just each week work your way down the list to complete all the assignments. Okay, so let's go back. Here, back to week 1. This week, your first assignment is to complete the syllabus quiz. So you can have the syllabus open in a separate window as you complete the quiz. It's basically an incentive for you to read through the syllabus and show me that you understand the basic class policies. And I'm also asking for some information about you. Also, so I know you're a real person and you're planning on attending the class, complete the check-in discussion, which just asks you to check into the class. Okay, and you'll get points for it. Just introduce yourself, your name, and why you're taking the class. And to complete that, you're just going to hit reply right here. Okay, and let's go back here. Okay. Then for the rest of the week, after we've completed those 2 initial assignments that are due on Tuesday, then we're going to actually start reading. So we're going to read chapter 5 of the Open Anthology of American Literature. You're going to read the Early American Literature timeline and background, complete a collaborative group activity, which I'll post some more information on, and also the thinking piece on Sunday. So after you complete these first 2 assignments, we're just going to be working down this list so we're ready to turn in the assignments that are due on Sunday. All right, hopefully that is helpful for everybody, And I look forward to working through this with you all this week.